Good morning, scholars. We are going to start our day by using our Read My Shared Reader. So go ahead and get your red workbooks because we're going to start a new story today. Kind of like yesterday, it's going to be short. And when you open up, you should find this page here, which is page 25. It has the page number at the bottom. And the title, I can't find my mouse. There it is. And the title starts with a capital W, and this is the illustration. So go ahead and put your bookmark or your Post-it on that page. Have a pencil ready to go. Okay, the title of this poem is What Do I Want? So we're reading a poem today. So, what do I want is a question. That's why I see a question mark, right? What do I want? And we've been talking all about things that we need versus things that we want. We're going to take a moment to look at the illustration and predict what we think the poem is about. So, go ahead and look at the picture. What do you see and what do you predict the poem is going to be about? I see a family that is sitting at a table and they're eating lunch or dinner together. And I see that the girl, there's a little dream bubble, the girl is dreaming or thinking about a bike and a soccer ball. So I think that she's thinking about the things that she wants. Okay, what do I want? Miss Paulina's going to read and then we'll do an echo read together. So again, this is a poem, so it's going to sound kind of like a song because it has rhythm to it. So let's listen. I'm so lucky, yes indeed, because I have the things I need. I'm so grateful every day. My needs are met in every way. There are some things I still want too, as many other children do. A soccer ball, a shiny bike, those are two things that I would like. Oh, did you hear some rhyming in that? I'm going to go over the rhyming words that I heard. I heard indeed, need. Indeed, need. They rhyme. Day and way. Day, way, rhyme. To and do. To, do, rhyme. Bike and like. Bike, like, rhyme, right? So that helps make it a poem. Okay, so now we're going to go over the poem. So she says, she's so lucky, yes indeed, because I have the things I need. So she has the things that she needs. Take a look at the illustration. What is something that she needs and that she has? Food, right? And probably shelter. Isn't she wearing clothes that she needs? Yes, and she has a family with love that she needs. And she says she's grateful every day. That means she's so happy and lucky every day that she has everything that she needs. But there are still things that she wants, right? She says she still wants things like a soccer ball and a shiny bike, and those are the things that she would like. And we know that a bike and soccer ball are things that we want, right? We don't really need a soccer ball and a bike. We want them. Okay, so now we're going to do an echo read. So finger under the purple title of the poem. And remember, I see a question mark, which means we need to ask a question. Okay, here we go. What do I want? Oh, and on this first sentence, I see an exclamation point. I'm going to go circle the exclamation points because we know we have to be excited when we read those. Okay, here we go. Finger under the first sentence in black. I'm so lucky, yes indeed, because I have the things I need. I'm so grateful every day. Because my needs are met in every way. Oh, I think I added the word because. My needs are met in every way. There are some things I still want too, as many other children do. A soccer ball, a shiny bike. Those are two things that I would like. Good job. I see a lot of sight words in this poem. Did you see them? There are a ton. Good job. All right, so we're going to go on and find our letter. So here we are going on a letter hunt. Safari caps on. We're going to find words that begin with, so the letter Y is at the beginning, that start with letter Y. So find words that start with letter Y, which means the letter Y is at the front of the word, and circle the word. Yes. Oh, circle it. Yes, right? Remember, we're circling them. I see a lot of Y's at the ends of words. Do you see them? Remember, we're only looking at the beginning. I think that's it. There's only one word that had a Y at the front, and that was yes. Do you see how yes has a Y here in the front? Good job. All right, now we're going on a sight word hunt. So here's your sight word. A, R, E. R. You are a scholar. Here are my papers. Okay, go ahead and find R, A-R-E, and underline it. My needs are met in every way. There are some things I still want too, as many other children do. A soccer ball, a shiny bike. Those are two things that I would like. I found 3 R's. A-R-E. Did you find 3 R's? Not the letter R, the word R. You are a scholar. You are doing great. You are on a word hunt. I found 3 words R. Did you? Great job. Okay, let's write our sight word R on the bottom. So go on the other side of the page. And A-R-E for R are all lowercase, so they're small letters. Make sure they touch the floor. So R-A, R. And make sure when you follow that R back up and you make an umbrella. Don't touch the floor. And then an E that sits on the bottom. Good. And my A, R, and E are all sitting on the floor. I make sure that my umbrella stays up top. Otherwise, if I go down, it's going to look like an N, right? Okay. Now we're going to draw a picture, and I want you to draw something that you would want. We know that the girl wants what? The girl wants a bike and a soccer ball. Good. What do you want? I want you to draw a picture over here. The other day I said I wanted a pair of skates and I can't find them anywhere. Must be a lot of people that want skates right now. So I'm going to draw some roller skates. I'll draw some laces. What's something you want? It doesn't have to be the same thing as mine. If you want a pet, if you want a special treat, if you want a new toy, you want a new book, a new movie, a new Barbie, a new slime. Okay. All right. I would love to see what you want. So take a picture, put it on Class Dojo, and we only have one video left today. So you have this video and you have one more, which is us reading our small decodable books. So I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, you need to have your minutes on iReady for reading and math. I check. I really do. I check and I write it down every week, how many minutes you got in. So make sure you're doing that, okay? And let's see. You also have a math worksheet that I put on Class Dojo. And that's it for math. Okay, I will see you in the next video, and that's our decodable book. So I'll see you in a second. Bye-bye. It's a little slow. Okay, bye-bye.